When your mic suddenly stops picking up your voice, it can throw off communication completely, especially during games or calls. With the SteelSeries Arctis Nova 5, mic issues are usually related to settings, connection type, or small hardware adjustments rather than a major fault. You might notice that you can hear everything clearly, but your voice isn't going through at all. In some cases, the mic is muted without realizing it, or the system is using a different input device. There are also situations where the headset is connected, but the mic isn't selected as the default, so it doesn't respond. Instead of assuming the headset is damaged, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get your microphone working again. 1. Check if the mic mute button or switch is turned off. 2. Ensure the microphone is properly positioned and not blocked. 3. Go to your device sound settings and select the headset mic as default input. 4. Reconnect the headset or wireless dongle properly. 5. Increase microphone input level in system settings. 6. Restart your device and test the mic again.